This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below. Morning, guys. It's July 6, 2018. This one here, I got a call for an air conditioner. The outside unit's just humming.
In 1/4 mile, turn left on County Road.
Yeah, so on this one here, I got a call for the air conditioner. Outside unit's just humming. Now, I put these systems in a few years back. There's a couple of little Goodman units here, like 1.5 tons on each side of the house, so might just be a capacitor that blew. It's been hot here, so that's what I'm thinking. Or he did have little mice or squirrels and mice or chipmunks in the unit, so it might be that they chewed the wires. We'll see.
Turn left on County Road.
Most likely it's a capacitor if it's humming. We'll see when we get there. Alright, guys, he's gonna turn it on. Said it just hums.
Go on?
No, I thought you said it was humming.
It was yesterday when I called you.
See if we got any voltage here.
I think I set that disconnect switch off, didn't I?
No, it's on, but you got no power coming in.
Where the hell did I shut it off?
Did you shut it off in the breaker?
Now let me go check it.
Yeah. No power. This is on. Let's see if we got any low voltage. We got no low voltage either. We got shit shut off on this thing. We got no low voltage or line voltage. And it's a old TD7F, so it should be no delay. No, would you put both the condenser and the
I just hit one of them right here.
So it was off. Was it tripped? Or did you trip it? You shut it off.
It may have been tripped.
Okay. We'll see.
It may have tripped. You got your
thermostat. You got your thermostat on and turn it down. Let me take a look. Where is it? Up here.
Up in the living room. There's a new thermostat up there.
Oh, who put it? You just put a new one on?
Well,
well, maybe that's what the problem is.
It shouldn't be because it's been running on the same thermostat for a few weeks.
Which one now?
The one on the right. That's the AC unit thermostat.
This one here? This one here?
The one on the right.
You had it off. And you got it on 80. You don't even have it set right, so let's see if it works now.
We set it right down to...
Yeah, but you had this, this was on off. See what this has to go to cooling. See this?
Oh, okay. I didn't, no, I can't see it.
I know you're partially blind, but that has to go on cooling. That was on off. Let's see if it works now.
Alright. It was on cooling before.
It was?
Yeah, it was cooling.
Let's check it. We got the air handler in here. I don't know if you can see, it's a little dark in here. I had it on off. There's nothing wrong with this thing. Boy, you might not have had the thermostat. You had it on 84. You got to set the thermostat down to 70.
Well, I thought it was set for 76.
No, it was set for 84. You had it set too high. The thermostat was set too high.
Yeah.
84 is kind of high, no?
I think so. Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna go over how to set it.
I usually set about 75.
All right, I'm gonna go over how to set that thermostat for you. And who put the thermostat in for you?
What's that?
Who put the thermostat in for you?
Back way.
I just was here checking the charge on this thing, so it's fine. I know that. All right, let's go over how to set this thermostat. I'll show you. All right. So, you got your magnifying glasses?
Yeah, that's right. That's
Okay.
right here.
Now, he's got cooling.
Yeah.
You got cooling, you got off, and you got heat. So it has to go on cooling to cool.
It should always be on cool because we don't have any heat on that. The heat's over here.
Okay, so we'll leave this on cooling. This was on off. You want to leave this on automatic. If you put this on, the fan will run all the time.
Yeah.
Okay? So now this is a programmable thermostat. So what you're going to do is, right now it's on hold. We'll set it for, what'd you say, 70 what?
75.
That's kind of high. You want it 75?
Yeah.
All right, 75, and then you push hold. Now you can go in and program the thermostat, but right now it's on cooling on, and it's set for 70. It's set for 75 at 76 in here.
Yeah.
So it's going to cool down to 75. So it's running fine. You just might not have seen what was going on with it. Okay, so it's working. Now this is the heat.
That's a heat. Right?
Why didn't he just hook the cooling wires up to that? It could be heating and cooling. You're not sure?
He put a separate one in because it was mass save. He couldn't do anything to the heat. We could get a new thermostat if he put a separate one in. I don't know if that's strictly a heat thermostat or heat and cooling.
That's heating and cooling. He could have just used this one. I don't know. Well, it's there now, so.
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's running fine. The guy's legally blind, so I can't blame him. He's got issues with his eyes. He can't see, and he just said he had somebody put another thermostat in, and he didn't know how to operate it. I mean, it happens. It's up on snow legs. Guys, I just left that job. He had Mass Save go over there and change the thermostats, and that's like a free thing. People come in, have light bulbs and thermostats change, and they try to sell you new equipment. And it's just like I guess you pay so much a month on your electric bill, and they come in and do all this stuff for free. But anyway, the guy's legally blind, and he says the unit wasn't. Well, he didn't have it on. He didn't have the thermostat set right. It wasn't on cooling, and he had shut the breaker off in the basement. So I've worked with this guy before, and you know he's a cool dude. He's just an older guy. He had cataract surgery. He had problems with his eyes. He's legally blind, so no big deal. It's all part of it, you know. Hit him for a service call to go out there and straighten him out. I mean, it's just how it is. I went over how to operate the thermostat, and he should be okay now.